So first you need to make sure that, example, like let's say you want to shoot at f2.8, okay? So there's this it's like a aperture activation lever, so it allows you to change the aperture according to the size you want. So 1.5, 1.5, 2.8. Let's say you want to shoot at f22, so you can go all the way down and go way up. So yeah, that's just like there's a technique to using this aperture system, which is I never seen in other lens, but so far only the Zenith Helios40-2 85. Only in this lens I see this system lah, so you know it merits some explanation. Yeah. Alright, hope this helps. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this.